Yung balita ngayon sa UAAP, no, na nag-transfer itong star player na big man ng Ateneo Blue Eagles na si Mason Amos na inaasahan, no, na magde-deliver, tutulong sa pag-deliver ng title ulit sa Loyola Heights, no, lumipat sa Lasal, no, yung arch rival ng Ateneo. And then biglaan, no, pati ata yung coach nagulat, no, coach ng Ateneo. And then when you read accounts, no, parang binibigyan ka ng credit ni Mason, no, na of course you are a former varsity Lasal player, you're a champion, no, sa Lasal, no. And then sabi ni Mason ay the mayor and I had a really good talk and it helped me decide where I want to be in the next couple of years. No, I mean, what's your side of this, Mayor? Did you actively try to pirate Mason?
No, definitely not. Sige, how we ganito, no? Ito, this is the first time I've ever been asked officially. No? Maraming unofficial questions sa akin. Pero ito I will consider as an official question and consider this as an official answer. Sabihin ko sa iyo, Howie, no? I've only met Mason Amos once. And that was about maybe 3-4 weeks ago. No? I was in Green Hills. I was having dinner. Biglang dumating siya. Nakilala ko siya for the first time. Of course, kilala ko siya. Kilala ko siya because magaling na player. I idolize him because he shoots very well.
He's a big man like you. I think he's 6'7". Mas matangkad pa sa'yo.
He's 6'7", but shoots from the three-point area very well. No?
A modern big man.
Correct, modern big man. And I honestly consider him as a very, very good basketball player. And true enough, nasa Gilas siya ngayon. Kasama ng Philippine team natin, di ba? So nakilala ko siya for the first time and natuwa ako nung sinabi niya, "Oh Mayor, I just want you to know that my mom lives in San Juan. My mom's family lives in San Juan. My relatives live in San Juan." So naano ako, kumbaga yung initial feeling ko was, wow, I'm happy to know that. Tapos nagkakwentuhan kami and then nakwento ko yung personal experience ko na naging team captain ako ng back-to-back championship teams, no, 1998, 1999. That was when LaSalle won back-to-back championships in the UAP. Nakwento ko sa kanya yung experience ko as a team captain, as a player, and even now, no, kahit sabihin mong di na ako naglalaro, I still watch the games. Whatever I can do to help my school, no, yung presence ko lang doon. Last year, yung Animo Ring ceremony, if you remember, Howie, I organized that along with Don Aliado, Renan Netualo, Dominic Uy Monasek, yung core group ng aming championship team dati, no? So nakwento ko lahat to kay Mason, how LaSalle is in terms of taking care of their players. Now, if naging good feedback ito sa kanya o naging consideration ito para sa kanya, that's really up to him to assess. No? Again, I categorically am saying that I did not pirate Mason Amos. I'm not involved in any way in terms of recruiting players. I am a former player. I help the alumni core group in such a way that ako kasi perspective ko as a player. Sila ang perspective nila as a team manager, di ba? Or alumni. Pero ako kasi ang perspective ko, dating player. So pag merong mga bagay na nakikita ko na dapat kong sabihin sa kanila dahil perspective ito ng player, sinasabi ko sa kanila. Kasi sila, they are managers but none of them were really active UAP players. So I guess that's where my value comes in terms of helping out the De La Salle University alumni core group because they're getting it at a different perspective. So kung yun ang pag-usapan namin at yung naikwento ko kay Mason ay naging dahilan kung bakit siya nagdesisyon, that is that is his personal choice. Wala naman po tayong binanggit na anumang kumbaga bagay sa kanya na makukonsider nating pinapirate.